Hello all, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to encrypt and compress a folder and set password using WinRAR. So here, for example, I have this folder here. So I'm just creating a dummy file for to show you. So I want to compress this folder. So and want to set password to this. To do that, you go to WinRAR and you have to go to add to archive. So in this add to archive here, you can just choose this option to set password. So here you can set your password, and once you set the password, press OK and just click OK. So here we can see like the encryption is done and the folder is compressed. So when I try to open this, let's see what's happened. So now when I'm trying to extract the file, it is asking for the password. So once you enter the pass, now the file is open. So using this method, you can send sensitive information over the email. You can compress so that data is protected. So if you don't know this information, you can try using this. Thank you for watching this video.